EV Tire Wear, a guide for electric vehicle owners. Electric vehicles, EVs, demand more from their tires than traditional petrol or diesel cars. Their instant torque and heavier weight accelerate wear, impacting both safety and efficiency. Knowing when to replace your tires isn't just about legal limits. It's about maintaining optimal performance and preventing costly issues. Why EV Tire Wear matters. EVs rely on tire grip for regenerative braking, smooth acceleration, and maximizing battery range. Worn tires compromise these features, leading to longer stopping distances, reduced efficiency, and increased road noise. Ignoring tire health can also accelerate wear on other components due to increased stress. 7 signs your EV tires need replacing. Here's how to identify when your EV tires are reaching the end of their lifespan. Insufficient tread depth. The UK legal minimum is 1.6, but EV drivers should replace tires earlier around. 3 for better grip, especially with instant acceleration. Use a tread depth gauge or the tire's built-in wear indicators to check. Reduced driving range. If your EV's range drops faster than usual, worn tires could be increasing rolling resistance, forcing the battery to work harder. Uneven or rapid wear. EVs put more stress on tires due to their weight and torque. Look for excessive wear on inner-outer edges, faster wear on one tire, or feathering cupping patterns. This indicates alignment or balancing issues. Increased road noise or vibration. EVs are designed for quiet operation. Any noticeable increase in noise, humming, droning, or vibration suggests worn tires or imbalance. Poor grip in wet-cold conditions. Reduced stability in wet or cold weather is a clear sign of worn tires. EVs depend on tire grip for regenerative braking and smooth acceleration. Visible damage. Cuts, bulges, or sidewall cracks mean your tire is unsafe, especially at higher speeds on motorways. Persistent tire pressure alerts. If your dashboard warning light keeps returning after inflation, it may signal internal damage or slow leaks. Replacement may be needed over repair. Convenient EV tire services if you're unsure about your EV tire condition. Mobile tire fitters can inspect them at your location. Certified technicians can carry out safe, professional replacement or repair, saving you time and hassle. Ignoring tire health can compromise safety, reduce efficiency, and accelerate wear on other components. Regular inspections are essential for optimal EV performance.